In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and replace special characters in Microsoft Word. If you're working with a Microsoft Word document and need to find or replace special characters, you can use Word's Find and Replace feature to locate them more efficiently. This can be especially useful when working with longer documents where searching manually would take more time. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document and select the Home tab at the top of the Word window. In the Home tab, look toward the right side for the Editing group. Select Replace to open the Find and Replace dialog box. The Find and Replace window contains fields that allow you to specify what you want Microsoft Word to search for and what you want to use as the replacement. To work with special characters, select the More button in the dialog box. This will expand the available search options and give you access to additional controls. Once the additional options are displayed, select the Special button. This opens a list of special characters and formatting marks that Microsoft Word can search for. From this list, choose the special character that you want to find. Microsoft Word will place the appropriate search code into the Find What field. Next, move to the Replace With field and enter the character or content that you want to use as the replacement. For example, if you're replacing one special character with another, select or enter the replacement character in the Replace With field. This allows Word to locate the original character and substitute it with the new one. Once your Find What and Replace With fields are set, you can choose Find Next to locate the special characters one at a time. This lets you review each occurrence before deciding whether it should be replaced. If you want Microsoft Word to replace the characters as it finds them, select Replace. Word will replace the current occurrence and allow you to continue reviewing the remaining matches. You can also select Replace All if you want Microsoft Word to replace every matching special character throughout the document at once. Before using Replace All, make sure the Find What and Replace With settings are correct. This is important because Word will apply the replacement to every matching occurrence in the document. Using Find and Replace for special characters can save time when you're working with documents that contain repeated symbols, paragraph marks, tabs, or other special formatting characters. Once you've finished making your replacements, you can close the Find and Replace dialog box and continue working on your document. And that's how you can find and replace special characters in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel.